Welcome to another energetic news update from Certrec, your source for regulatory insights and industry innovation. Ontario and New York have signed a landmark nuclear energy agreement to collaborate on advanced nuclear technologies that enhance grid reliability, deliver clean power, and drive economic growth. Under a new Memorandum of Understanding between the New York Power Authority and Ontario Power Generation, both regions will share expertise in the development and deployment of advanced reactors and small modular reactors. The framework also aims to explore opportunities related to financing, workforce development, and expanding supply chain and manufacturing partnerships. Officials say the partnership will strengthen energy security, create jobs, attract cross-border investment, and accelerate the transition to reliable, low-carbon electricity. For more updates on nuclear development and grid modernization, visit RegSource by Certrec. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon to stay informed on the energy issues shaping our future.